Cercle Bike. See the world as it's meant to be explored with a Cercle Bike. These bikes are perfect for the outdoor trekker who wants to suddenly stop and have their living room available wherever they are. The Cercle Bike has all your gear strapped to it with its intuitive circle design. You can ride it as a normal bike, and when you're ready, it steadies and has a fold-out lounge chair and desk area all built in the movable bike. The Cercle Bike even has a fold-up table so you can work, eat, and just relax from your bike in any terrain.